You need to hear this if you're in California. A powerful earthquake just hit, and we've got the critical details. At approximately 10:15 a.m. today, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck California, centered near Los Angeles. Major tremors were felt as far as San Francisco. Buildings have collapsed, and there are reports of significant damage and injuries. Emergency services are on high alert, rushing to affected areas. Experts warn of potential aftershocks in the coming days, urging residents to stay vigilant. Recovery efforts are already underway. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation.